We now provide an update on political funding. In this regard, the Commission reports a 90% compliance rate among represented political parties, with 18 of the 20 represented political parties having submitted their audited financial statement on time. The 2 parties that did not submit their audited financial statements on time have been issued with directives to comply and to submit those outstanding documents. Those parties are 1, National Coloured Congress, as well as Build One South Africa. Similarly, of the 438 unrepresented political parties, only 28% of those complied with the requirements to submit financial records accompanied by an affidavit. The Commission has therefore served notices on 304 of those unrepresented political parties with direction to comply with the Political Funding Act.